In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ChatGPT remember previous conversations. This feature allows ChatGPT to automatically pick up on details from your chats and lets it refer back to older discussions when you need it to. It's a really beneficial tool designed to make your interactions feel more personalized, consistent, and ultimately more helpful over time. Whether you're using ChatGPT for brainstorming content ideas, tackling work projects, conducting research, or managing everyday tasks, turning this memory feature on can significantly enhance your experience. Now, if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps us out and ensures you won't miss any of our easy-to-follow tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open ChatGPT in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the main page, start looking over to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon sitting there. It's often represented by a little circle or your profile picture if you've set one. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is where all your account settings live, and it's the very first step toward enabling those memory-related features we're interested in. After clicking your profile icon, a menu will pop up. From that list, you'll want to select the Settings option. Now that we're inside the Settings section, you should see a list of options on the left side of your screen. Keep an eye out for the option labeled Personalization. That's what we're looking for. This section directly influences how ChatGPT interacts with you, how it utilizes your preferences, and importantly, whether it can reference past chats. Once you've clicked on Personalization, take a moment to look for the option labeled Reference Chat History. This toggle might be off by default, which means ChatGPT won't actively use details from your older conversations to inform its responses in new chats. To get everything working as it should, simply switch that Reference Chat History option to On. And just like that, as soon as you enable it, ChatGPT can start picking up on details from your past chats automatically. This means it will be able to use that context to respond in a more connected and useful manner in your future conversations. If you're having trouble locating this option, double-check that you're indeed in the right personalization menu and that you are signed into the correct account. Sometimes, depending on the version of the app you're using or your specific region, the settings can appear slightly different. But don't worry, the overall path is still quite similar. Profile icon, settings, personalization, and then you toggle on Reference Chat History. Once you have that feature enabled, go back to your chat and continue talking as you would normally. You don't need to reintroduce yourself every single time or repeat details all too often. Because of the memory feature, ChatGPT should be able to use that previous conversation context, making it especially beneficial for ongoing projects, frequently asked questions, or any kind of long-term assistance. And that's really all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you've made ChatGPT significantly better at remembering your conversation history and using it to assist you in future chats more effectively. If this tutorial has saved you some time, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next quick guide we release. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.